Installing and uninstalling the basket in the AutoFry MTI-10X/XL. Installing the basket correctly. Slide the flat end of the basket rod into the slot of the basket cam located on the back wall of the cook chamber. Lower the round notch on the front end of the basket rod into the open bracket. This is how the basket should sit when installed correctly. Here is another view of installing the basket correctly. The washer should sit on the inside of the open bracket. This is the incorrect way to install the basket. The washer should not sit on the outside of the bracket as shown below. Here is another example of the basket being installed incorrectly. How to correctly uninstall the basket. Lift the front end of the basket rod up and out of the open bracket, and then slide the back end of the rod out of the basket cam on the back wall of the cook chamber. Questions? Contact our technical support team.